Hey guys, welcome everybody. Thank you for tuning in. I had a pretty solid week and I wanted to share with you guys some of my trades so that you can start taking the same trades and keeping it pretty simple and become a pretty consistent and profitable trader. Okay, so let's go. So I made a playbook for me and the members of the different setups that present in the market. Okay, so one of the key elements in becoming a consistent and profitable trader is try to make your system or your strategy as systematic as possible. What do I mean with this is try to make your strategy rule based. Okay, so not so much depending and relying on your decisions and discretionary trading, but more into solid facts and statistics. Okay, guys. So this way it's gonna prevent you from doubting each trade that you take and just executing based on rules and statistics. Okay, so this one right here is one of them, one of the plays that I have in this rule book that I made. It is 9 pages long. There are a lot of them. Let me just show you. So basically this is it. It comes included in the members area. Okay. So let's go and dive into this one. Okay, so this is FTB to the broken base. It means first time back into a consolidation area or a base. Okay, so as you can see, previously we had price ranging, okay, inside a base. And then we have price breaking above, closing, and then you place pending order at the retracement area. Or if you want to be a little bit more conservative, then you zoom into the lower time frames and you search for your entry. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I executed that trade. Let's go to the charts. Okay, so this is the Nasdaq 15 minutes. As you can see, in the long term, this was a pretty solid base. Okay, it was ranging into this area. The way you can identify that is at least price making like 3 highs and like at least like 2 or 3 lows. Okay, so that way you know price is consolidating or it's in a range or base. Okay, so as you can see, price started to rally up. Okay, and this happened right before the NYSE session open. Okay, so, and after that, it retraced back into the base. And as you can see, it had a pretty solid run. Okay, so now we can do a little kind of like simulation so that you can see how you can execute this type of trade. Perfect, guys. Okay, so here we are at 5-minute chart. Okay, so what you want to do is you zoom in, okay, into the lower time frames, and you mark, obviously, where the base starts. Okay, so this is the edge. Okay, and you have price breaking above. Okay, so ideally you would want to see having a 1 hour candle closing above. So that way you know that it's not going to be a wick and it's not going to be a fake. Okay, guys. So this is the 5-minute chart. Okay, guys. So there are two ways in which you can actually trade this. One is setting a pending order right at the base. Okay, you would want to find some more information in the lower time frame. So, for example, here we have a broken zone. Okay, or an order block, as some would call. Okay, so let me draw that in. So that's some more evidence and more confirmations. Okay, so the one way we can trade is setting a pending order right here, a buy limit order, and you can aim for at least a 1 and 2 risk reward, and you can place your stop loss at the low of this swing so that you can be a little bit more conservative because, as you know, Nasdaq moves pretty violently. Okay, guys, so you can place it some pips above so that you don't want to miss the trade. And at least I would say a safe place to place your stop loss would be around this area. And a good target would be at least a 1-2 right there. There you go. Okay, so now let's move forward and see how it plays out. Okay, so as you can see, guys, right here we are filled and immediately price starts to go in our direction. Okay, so market open and now price is going into a desired direction. Perfect. So as you can see, price made a pretty nice run up. Okay, and that's it. That's your trade. It's rule based. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how you can trade this with. I'm being a little bit more conservative. Like I like to trade based on candlesticks. Okay, so let me show you how you could have traded this. Okay, guys, so I zoom into the 3-minute charts. Okay, so as you can see now, price is at our base. It's making the retest, making the FTB to the base. This is the first time that it's coming back to the base. As you can see, we're in the session. We have nice volume. We had a pretty nice bullish engulfing candlestick. Okay, so this would be the other method in which you can take your trade. Okay, the stop loss below the candle, and you can target at least this high. Okay, so you can target a 125, or we can also go for a 102. Okay, guys, so now let's play this out and see how it goes. Okay, it's going in our favor. By this time, you can start trailing your stop loss to these candles lows. And there you go. Okay, that was pretty simple and straightforward. And obviously, as you can see, guys, it did run like for many more pips. Okay, so I want to show you another trade that I took this week so that you can also start implementing this. Let me go back to the 50-minute chart. Okay, so the other trade that I want to show you guys, it was actually taken the next day. Usually I take one trade per day if there's any like something presented in the market that goes aligned with my playbook. Okay, so as you can see, we had this level right here. This was the previous day high. And as you can see, price made this manipulation or fake out. Pretty nice liquidity grab, and it started to drop. Okay, so let's go into a lower time frame and let me show you how I execute it. All right, guys, so we are at 5-minute chart. As you can see, this was a previous day high. As you know, usually price is gonna go and seek for these liquidity areas. So as you know, there's a ton of liquidity from other traders that are trying to trade the breakout. Okay, so let me just start forward. Okay, so the reason I didn't do anything, I did not take a buy in here, was because this candlestick closed with no wick. Okay, so we wait for more confirmation. This is a 5-minute chart. Okay, still nothing. It's still closing below this candle, and there you go, guys. This was pretty nice M formation or double top. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it was making this sort of like a trend line, and as you know, also this right here represents a lot of liquidity. Okay, so let me show you how I did execute it. I just entered right after the candle close. I took my sell. Okay, you can take your sell position or at the break of the low of the candle, and your stops above the high of this candlestick, which is around here, and you can target a significant low. Okay, so for this trade, I went for around, it was almost a 1.5 risk reward. Okay, but you can target the most significant low. Okay, so now let's play it out and see how this goes. Okay, so we had a pretty strong push. Okay, these candles, I love them because they have a pretty nice follow through rate. And by the way, guys, okay, so right here, as you can see, it all basically hit our target. And just so you know, I send all of my trades inside the signal room with a 9% win rate. Below are all the details. And obviously, I offer also a mentorship. Okay, guys, so basically that's it for this video. As you can see, hit our target, pretty nice trade. Just keep it simple, guys, okay? If you need anything, just comment. And if you like this type of videos, of me sharing my trades, my insight, my strategies, just don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can share this video, and see you on the next one, guys. Love you all. Okay, take care. Bye.